How can we stay in that flow state longer?
Focus modes. If you have an iPhone, adding focus modes, and it kills all those notifications you talked about.
I freaking love it. I love it.
You can pick the ones that are super important, or you can pick certain contacts that you want to get through for a text. So if you have a customer you're waiting on, or your manager, whoever, they can still come through your friends and family, your group text. Those will stay away.
I love that. Here's another, and guys, okay, we're a bit diabolical here at Easton University, but we all have big goals. Some of you are like, well, what if it's a customer with a problem? I'm just saying, guys, I'm not saying ignore a problem for 2 weeks, but if you've got your focus mode on, you will be shocked. By the way, I have 347 emails in my inbox. I guarantee you there's at least 12 in there. Guess what they're going to do? Solve their own problem. It's going to be somebody asking me about this, and did we get the bill paid for that, and did we switch over to this, and did the back end? So it's just going to work itself out by me giving it just a few seconds to marinate, right? Like, you don't have to be distracted at every little shiny object that comes through your text or your email. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.